Welcome to BestusefulTips. Here I will show you how to enable iPhone 14 dynamic island feature on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Open the Play Store on your device. Search the Edge Mask feature. Install Edge Mask app on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Wait until download app on your device. Then complete the download, open the Edge Mask on your device. Tap on open. Here tap on a apps that can appear on top option. Now toggle on Edge Mask. Go back. Tap again notification access. Toggle on Edge Mask. Tap on allow. Go back. Again tap on accessibility. Tap on Edge Mask. Toggle on. Tap on allow. Go back. Go back. Make sure required permission set OK on your device. Now tap on a message in effect.
Savor a bit of nostalgia with every bite. Order in delicious comfort foods from restaurants on Swiggy.
Here you can see different type of dynamic island style. You can see different styles. But here you need to enable Samsung message style on your device. Toggle on. Now you can see dynamic island type on your device. Also you can see Apple message style. You need to only enable Samsung message style on your device. Go back. Now tap on an effect. Here you can see punch hole lighting effect in your phone. Also enable edge lighting if you want to enable on your Samsung device. It's quite easy. Go back again. In message effect, scroll down. Make sure enable Samsung message style. To customize it, tap on a Samsung message style icon. Here you can customize background color. Here you can set black. Tap on a black. Tap message color. Set white. Tap on a. Now you can see is a island on your device. Go back. Scroll down again. Here you can also set a duration. From. Also set size you want to set in your device. Also enable margin on your device. From vertical, horizontal you want to set on your Samsung device. Go back. Make sure set message and effect on your device to use dynamic island feature on your Samsung device. It's quite easy. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.